CCTV camera at Mysore railway station captured shocking footage of a woman got trapped between train and railway platform and died in effort to catch up the train.
And even though he's riding a day after a bus collided with a light rail train, he's not concerned.
I don't have any trouble riding the bus at all.
Then again, he hasn't seen this. This is video from the exact moment of impact yesterday afternoon. From inside the train, you can see passengers casually talking 1 second, then jolted from their seats the next. From the outside, you can see the train already in the intersection at St. Joseph, the bus crashing into it, knocking it off the tracks. 9 people were rushed to the hospital, many more shaken.
You are looking at video recorded from a Chicago-bound Amtrak train headed for Dearborn on the morning of March 1st. It's smooth sailing for the train carrying 4 crew members and 65 passengers. Then abruptly comes a terrifying sound of alert. The collision near Lanyo and Dix Avenue could be heard for miles.
Watch the surveillance video as the train slams into her car. They had only seconds to save her.
And here's the reason why. It's terror on the tracks. A group of careless commuters tries to beat the train, but they're stuck. And there's no stopping what happens next. with a tidal wave of mangled steel bearing down on it. One bystander barely scrambles to safety.